Welcome to day 18 of our May Reset Challenge. Ever feel like you're carrying strength but not flow? Like your body wants to move better but something just isn't clicking? Let's bring balance back through movement that wakes up both mobility and control. Let's hit the mat. This is where flexibility meets control, right at the front of your hips. Step your right foot forward, left knee down, inhale, lift both arms. Exhale, gently press the hips forward, flow forward and back with your breath. Switch sides after 30 seconds. You're going to feel hip flexors opening, spinal lengthening, and steady breath. Hip flexors still power and throw off your posture. I promise this move starts correcting that immediately. Now that we've opened the hips, we're about to see how stable they are. Can you keep your back knee light and your breath deep? Hold for 5 more seconds. Is your body leading the breath or following it? That just mobilized your stride. Now let's test single side strength. This is the quiet kind of strength, the kind that holds everything together. Lie on your back and knees bent, left foot planted. Press into your left heel, lift your hips, lower with control. Switch sides after 30 seconds. You're going to feel glute and hamstring activation, hip stability, core support. This isolates the glutes and teaches each side to work on its own. I promise you'll move more evenly after this. Stronger glutes equals less pressure on your spine and knees. Squeeze at the top for 3 seconds, 1 inch higher, last 5 seconds. Is your core helping or are you lifting from the lower back? That just activated your base. Now let's lock in cross-body coordination. Think of this like a moving plank, but more balanced and more brain. Calm to all fours, extend your right arm and left leg long. Keep your hips level and core tight. Return to center and switch sides. Keep the movement steady and controlled. You can feel core activation, glute and shoulder engagement, balance through the spine. Bird dog resets coordination between your left and right sides. I promise it's how you start walking and lifting more cleanly. Next up, we bring the hips to their deepest expression. Pause at full extension, reach long, breathe deep, 5 more seconds. Are your movements fluid or shaking from lack of control? That just sank your core. Now let's drop into the depth of your hips. This is the move most people avoid, but it's where your hip health gets real. Stand with feet wider than hips, drop into a deep squat, elbows inside knees, press knees open, chest tall, hold or gently rock side to side. You can feel your inner thigh and groin opening, grounded hips. Frog squat decompresses the hips and strengthens your deep posture muscles. I promise this is where tension starts to melt. This stretch also helps your digestion and nervous system reset. Stay low, stay still, 1 full breath deeper, 5 seconds. Are you sinking into the stretch or hovering out of fear? That just grounded your hips. Now we flow through the spine. This final combo rewires your breath through movement, flexion to extension. Begin in child's pose, hips back, arms forward. Inhale, shift forward onto your belly. Press into your forearms, rise into sphinx. Exhale, melt back into child's pose. Flow slowly with intention. You're going to feel spinal fluidity, breath connection, a full body calm. This stretch soothes the nervous system and opens your full movement arc. I promise it leaves you calm, aligned, and ready. Hold this rhythm. It's not just recovery, it's a rhythm of strength. Pause in each pose. Can you lengthen the inhale by 5 seconds? Are you moving from habit or from awareness? That just feels your reset, strength and softness together. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints, it lives in your mind, it shows up in your habits. It drains your energy even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You just need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body, scripture and mindset shifts to clear the mental fog, a faith-fueled nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession, all delivered daily to your email inbox. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. Tap the link now in the description or pinned comment to start your free 3-day reset. Because goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts.